I'm impressed with them. I mean, it just makes things so much simpler. Bought the first set that he put out, and it's increased my production 75%.
I would recommend them to anybody, and they're well worth the money. And it won't take you very long to get your money back.
I try to stay updated and buy the best that they got, and these are the best that they got. The name says it all. I mean, if you get CRG Precision Welding Tools, it will make you a better welder.